Good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm here on the R537 Whiteriver to Sabie. I think it's about 46 kilometers. But a beautiful road. Nature's beautiful. Everything is good on this road. So enjoy the video and the nature. A lot of plantations here, tea plantations. Can see the lorry that just passed me now. It's full of wood. Yo, look this view. Amazing. So beautiful. And the road surface is good. Beautiful for bikers. This is one of the best roads I've experienced so far. But this area of Mpumalanga is really something. Look, those trees on my left, so beautiful. Oh man, look here, so nice. I can't get enough of this. Oh, shucks, there's looks like a truck here in front of me. Look how beautiful is that clouds on top of that mountain. Oh, nice twisties in this road for a biker. Oh, the best. And the road surface is really good. I couldn't see any potholes anywhere so far.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Beautiful mountains.
All the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build
I'm not far from Sabie.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise
rainfall, yeah.
felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known it too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Oh, very close to Sabie now. Also a beautiful town. Turn left here.
But I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I don't care.
That was the beginning of a beautiful place. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until